What's up, guys? Day 18. Legs are feeling pretty good today. Got a few trick ideas. Gonna kick some things around. See what happens. Alright, so today I'm gonna try nollie backside tail slide, which I've never seen anyone do. I'm sure someone's done it, but never really seen it. And I think it's because when you start going in, the direction that you want to slide, you kind of lose the pop. It's not the same, and I think it feels weird, so I'm gonna kick that around, see if we can make sense of it. Definitely gotta pop really early for that one. I think I can get it. It's just way different than the regular nollie tail. It's like with this, you gotta do it super quick. Regular straight nollie tails, it's like a real slow kind of floaty feeling. All right, right here. Alright, I think we get a better one though. Alright, we're getting the slides down. Let's put one down now. I'm gonna try to get one to fakie now. Oh, that's scary. Oh, almost got it. Three more. Always one more. Ah.
Yeah.
Thanks for filming.
You're welcome. That was crazy.
Alright guys, we got it. I'm drained. What's your name again?
Young Matt.
Young Matt. He's gonna do a ghetto bird for us today. See if we can get it. Oh! Alright, actually, it's really nice out. My body feels good today, so I'm gonna try that nollie 3-flip weaver on the hip. This is the point where it gets just slippery enough to where you can slip out and fall on your face. Alright. Yeah. Alright, this is a little too much rain, so I think we're gonna call it a day. See you guys tomorrow, day 19. Alright, well, it passed pretty quick and it's hot enough that the ramp's like kind of drying off, so board's a little wet. I think we'll get it done.